and welcome back to my channel. And happy October. Oh my gosh, the best month of the entire year is here. It is officially October. It is officially Halloween, even though it's been Halloween for me since about September 1st, but it's officially October and I'm very excited. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a TEMU haul. Woo! I told you guys that I didn't need any more Halloween decorations, which is true. I really don't. I have way more than enough. But I went on TEMU and I was just, looking around, scrolling, and I saw some cute stuff and I was like, you know what? I'll get a couple more things as long as they're small. So I got a few items from TEMU that are Halloween decor related, and we're gonna open it up and see what we get. Now, couple disclaimers. This video is not sponsored. I paid for this with all my own money. They did not pay me to purchase anything. They did not pay me to make this video. I will not be taking sponsorships with TEMU. They have been reaching out to me for months and months and months and months, and I finally emailed them back and said, what does a sponsorship, what's in a sponsorship with TEMU, right? And they told me everything, and then they asked me what my rate was to do a sponsored video. So I told them what my rate was, and they were not willing to pay that, which I know they can afford it. They just didn't want to, and I said, thank you, but no thank you. But it wasn't only that, that's not the only reason why I didn't take the sponsorship. The other reason is I've just heard a lot of really kind of concerning things about the app, the TEMU app, that made me a little bit uncomfortable. I never shop on the TEMU app. I always go to the website, and I always use a PayPal account to make my purchases on TEMU. I will never give them my credit card number. I've just heard a lot of really concerning things, and I just don't feel comfortable doing a sponsorship with them. It was an interesting purchase, so I got quite a few things, and I paid a total of $68.26, but then a few days later, I got a $10 refund for one of my items, which did not show up, so I only paid a total of $58.26, because one of the items, they emailed me and said, we're giving you a refund for this item due to suspicious activity. Whatever the hell that means. What do you mean suspicious activity? So yeah, I just wanted to be a little transparent about that. So I spent $58.26, and most of this stuff in here is going to be pumpkin themed, because I don't know, whatever it is this year for Halloween, I'm really enjoying all things pumpkin looking, pumpkin decorations. So I got quite a few pumpkins and some other stuff. With all of those disclaimers out of the way, let's go ahead and tear this bad bitch open. Hopefully nothing is broke. I've had this package for about a week now, and I have not opened it yet, so I'm really hoping that nothing is broken in here. Oh my gosh, I am sweating so much. It is literally 83 degrees out, and it's October 3rd. 83 degrees. Excuse me. Sweat my ass off here. Where's the fall at? So here's the bag that everything came in. We have so much stuff in here. One of the things I'm really excited about, oh my god, I'm losing my mind over. So if you guys have watched my Halloween decorate with me videos over the past few years, you know I have these little Halloween themed rubber duckies. Okay. Fun thing about me, I love rubber duckies, okay? Especially the themed ones for Christmas and Halloween. I love that shit so much. So on TEMU, I literally saw they had an entire pack of Halloween duckies. I'm so fucking I'm so pumped. So I got, let me look at the price here. I got 24 Halloween rubber duckies for $13.19. And just looking at these, the first impression of these, I'm actually really pleasantly surprised with how good they look. I thought they were going to look a little bit funny, because you never know with TEMU, I feel. But they actually look really good. So let's open up these rubber duckies and see which ones we got. Very odd smell, though. They do kind of smell funny, I will say that. Uh-oh. Okay, we have an error one. We have a mess up one. At least I think it's a mess up. They really do smell, though. It's a very, very heavy, rubber smell, and not the good kind of rubber. And I'm actually very pleasantly surprised, because we do not have any duplicates whatsoever. We have a little pirate. It looks like they forgot to paint up here, or it's supposed to be like that, but we have a little pirate ducky. We have a little pumpkin ducky. We have a little mohawk duck, a little blue mohawk right at the top there. Oh, he's very, very cute. Look at him. We have this little guy, which I don't know what he's supposed to be, but he's still very, very cute. This one is freaking badass. We have a little vampire duck. Look at this one. Oh my gosh, he is so freaking cute. Look at the little teeth and the little black hair. Oh, I love these so much. Looks like we have another little pirate duck with a little eye patch and some pink on the wings here. We have a little mummy duck. We have another vampire duck, which is very, very cool. We have a little polka dot duck right here. We have another one that I guess is supposed to be disguised as a chicken or a rooster or something like that. We have a spider duck. This one is very, very cool. I really like the spider duck. Oh my gosh, he's really cute. Look at like the little spider webs and stuff and the little spiders hanging from them. Very cool. We have Franken duck, which I really like this one. He's very, very cute. We have an 8-ball rubber ducky. We have a little unicorn rubber ducky. Look at her cute little horn right there. We have a ninja duck. We have a really, really cute ghost duck right here. Oh my gosh, this one is so fun. I love him. Look at his little tongue. We have a witch duck right here with her beautiful purple hat and her little broom. This one is really funny. I really like this one. This one we have like a little monster creature duck. Look at his like little like shark teeth up here. That's so funny. We have another little monster duck, which low-key makes me think of McDonald's French fries a little bit. It looks like we have the brother to this one right here, but this one is purple with the little black mohawk and the little black vest. We have a little sea creature rubber ducky. Very, very cute. I love this one. We have a skeleton ducky, and we have a white duck with little blood splatters and red eyes and a black beak. Very, very spooky and very cute. And then this one is the other one we got, but he doesn't have any paint on him. So it's like a really bright neon rubber ducky, but there's no paint. So I don't know if they forgot to paint this one or if this one's supposed to be like a glow in the dark moment. I really don't know. Maybe I could like paint this one myself, but that is one of the first things I noticed is this one doesn't have any sort of paint or anything of the sorts on him. It's just a really bright green neon duck. Okay, the next thing I got from Temu is I actually got a shirt. I don't think I have ever gotten a clothing item from Temu before, but this one I had to get, and once you guys see it, you will totally understand why. It is just a gray t-shirt, and on the front of it, in orange writing, it says Halloween 1978, Haddonfield, Illinois, and it has the Halloween pumpkin right there. Wait, let me make sure it's on. Okay, so that looks good. So if you guys know Halloween, you know the Halloween pumpkin, right? Well, this slit is supposed to be on the right side, and it looks like it is on the correct side. So that is very exciting, but I really liked this shirt, and if you guys know me, you know that I absolutely love the Halloween movies. They are my favorite. Michael Myers is my favorite, so I saw that shirt, and I had to have it. This shirt I paid $7.19 for, and it feels like it's good quality. It doesn't look like it's too see-through. Like, it's very thin, but like there's like a good weight to it, if that makes sense. They had a whole bunch of different colors, but I wanted to get the gray and the orange just because that's just fitting. I did also get this in a size medium because I do like my shirts to be a little bit on the bigger side. So I got this in a medium. Very, very cute. All right, the next things that I got, looks like we have a crush box right there. So we're gonna open up this box. I don't really fully remember what I got, but this box looks to be a little bit damaged, so hopefully the merchandise is not. And it looks like we have 3 little light up pumpkins, as you can see. They are lit up right now. I don't know how well you can see that on camera, but I did pick up 3 of these little pumpkins. I just thought they were really, really cute. So here's an up-close view of what those little pumpkins look like. Again, I did get a pack of 3 of them, and they do light up, and they are actually like very, very bright. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that. And I just thought these were really, really cute, just for the kind of decor that I was going for, and I wanted like 3 really cute spooky pumpkins. And they all work. They all light up. They just have the little like on-off switch on the bottom. Because I wanted to like add more pumpkins to my entertainment center area, and I feel like I just didn't have enough pumpkins, and I didn't want anything like super big. So those 3 little pumpkins for 3 of the ones that light up, they were $4.49. The next one I got, I think all the rest of this stuff might be pumpkins, I'm not sure. But the next ones I got are so incredibly tiny. Oh no, did this one break? Oh wait, no, he's supposed to be like that. Okay. But they're actually really, really cute. And now that I'm looking at everything, it looks like these will actually be the perfect size for what I need them for. But they are these little tiny glass pumpkin decorations. I mean, these are so small, like maybe like 2-3 inches at most. So here is the first one. We have 3 pumpkins stacked. We have another little guy. This one's even smaller. He's a little witchy pumpkin. And then we have just a regular jack-o'-lantern right here. Very, very cute. They're very heavy duty. I think they're glass or ceramic of some sort, all these little pumpkins, and they're really, really cute, and they'll actually work really well for what I need them for. So the pack of 3 for these little pumpkins, that was $4.57 for 3 of them. The next thing that I got, which I'm pretty sure, yep, more pumpkins, woohoo! Oh. Well, this is kind of a fail. So I got 3 more little pumpkins, like kind of similar to these ones, but these ones are a little bit like happier looking. But now that I'm looking at them, they're actually like really fucked up, and one of them is damaged. And they don't look like pumpkins, they look like apples. Here they are, these little things. I mean, they look more like pumpkins on camera, but in person they literally look like apples. And then there's this one, but he's like dented in right here on one side, and it, oh dear. I'm pretty disappointed in these ones. I wish they looked more like pumpkins. They just literally look like candy. And also the paint job on the faces are a little bit shoddy, I feel. I don't know. Yeah. Ugh, these are okay. How much did I pay for those? So these 3 little pumpkins with the damaged one, I paid $2.47 for those pumpkins. So I don't know if I'm going to use them. I'm not really a fan of them. They just look a little bit weird, I guess. This next thing I got is, I'm pretty sure I remember what this is. I think these are my little gravestones. I wanted to get some more little gravestones to decorate with my small little pumpkins. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5 little tombstones, and they're really, really small. They're maybe about like 2 to 3 inches max. And I got a pack of 5 of them for $8.49. And as I'm looking at them, they actually look pretty good. Like, I'm pretty pleasantly surprised. They're really, really cute. They're really good quality. So here is the first little tombstone. As you can see by the size of it with my hand, they are very, very small. Like I said, maybe 2 to 3 inches max. So we have that one. We have this guy right here. Very cute. This would be good if you're like building kind of like a little Halloween town, like miniature style. These would be really, really cute for that. Here is the 3rd one. Here is the 4th one. And here is the 5th one. Also really cute. This one's a little bit of a different color. This one kind of has like a brass brushing to it. But they're all really good quality. They have a good weight to them. Like, they're not super light. They definitely aren't breakable or anything. Look at that. Oh my god, they're so precious. Okay, guys, and this very last item for this TEMU haul, I'm a little nervous about this one because I'm a little afraid of how it's going to look. This one is Hocus Pocus themed, and I thought it would be really, really cute to have, but I don't know if it's going to look very good. So let's take her out of the box. So this next item, and the very last item for this haul, I paid $8.87. So let's, ooh, oh, that made my hair staticky. Do you guys recognize it? Ah, look at that! Oh my gosh! So if you guys have seen the movie Hocus Pocus, the 1993 film that is iconic this time of year, then you guys should know exactly what this is. And I thought it was really, really cool, and I wanted to get it. So let's unbag her. Ta-da! All right, so here is the little book that is from the movie Hocus Pocus. I mean, it definitely doesn't look exactly like the real thing, but I feel like from far away, it looks okay. So it's just a decoration, like it doesn't open or anything. It looks kind of similar. Let me look up the real one. So it literally looks nothing like the real thing. So this is the real Hocus Pocus book right here. And here's this one. Like, it doesn't have the stitching. So I guess we can just call this like a Book of the Dead, I guess. We'll just call it Book of the Dead because it's definitely not the Hocus Pocus book now that I'm definitely looking at it. But I mean, regardless, it's a cute decoration. Like, this would be cute just to have on like a coffee table and just have this eye out. It's not bad. Okay guys, and that was everything for my small little Halloween Temu haul. Let me know down below what your favorite item that I got was. Which one did you like the best? Which one didn't you like? Definitely my least favorite, like I said, are these little apple looking pumpkins. I just wish they looked more like pumpkins. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, but I'm gonna head out of here and I'm gonna start putting up all of these cute little decorations. Make sure you guys go down and give this video a huge thumbs up if you did enjoy. If you're new to my channel, make sure you go down and hit that red subscribe button. Turn on all notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos from me. But as the rest of you, I love you guys so very much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. I love you guys and happy Halloween. Bye. Mwah.